Wow, Burley Marks, this one is good. Look at that. Okay, there you go. I did not put too much soil in here. And there you go. And this is Burley Mark after 3 months in this soil. And the leaf turned brown and it just happened to fall off yesterday. But no worries, she's shown her resilience by growing a new one, which just happened to emerge in the last couple of weeks. And by the way, I use a 5-inch pot for this plant, but I only use soil, about half of this pot. And it took so long to grow a new stem or shoots. I don't know why, maybe because I use a little bigger pot than I should. And thank God she had a healthy root from the start. Also, using clear nursery pot gives me peace of mind about this plant because it makes it easy to monitor its progress, especially for a new plant. And she will continue to thrive in this 5-inch pot until the plant is fully grown. And you can see the healthy roots from the side. I ordered this plant during winter, which may be why her growth has been slow. Now that's it. It's a little warmer. Perhaps she will pick up the pace. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. And happy planting. God bless.